If you're watching this video, I bet you're looking for a profitable app idea, whether you want to create your own SaaS application or develop an app that helps the company you work for. However, you are struggling to come up with a great app idea or just want to confirm if the idea you already have is a good one. You know, it is normal to have a creative block. I have been there and completely understand the feeling of not knowing what to do next. For those who don't know me, I am Jose. I have been developing apps for several years for companies around the world, and in this video, I will give you a formula to get with profitable app ideas. It is not the only way to do that, but it is a reliable one. Plus, I will give you examples of apps I developed that leverages from this formula. And last but not least, I am going to show you the reasons why this formula works. So anything I do, let's dive into it. The formula. Okay, I'm going to cut to the chase. Basically, the formula is to create apps to follow up into things. At first sight, it could seem to be pretty simplistic, but if you think about it a little deeper, you will figure out that all companies need to follow up into things to keep the eye into processes and inventory and a lot of things inside the company. But a lot of times things are not followed up properly. Maybe because they just don't mind about it, or because it is complicated or cumbersome to do that, and maybe because they don't have the proper system to do it, or because it is managed in an Excel and everything depends on one person or a lot of factors. So you build a solution to help companies or even individuals to follow up into things. A lot of times they will find it valuable, especially when it is complicated or cumbersome to be followed up. And to demonstrate the power of this principle or formula or whatever you want to call it, I'm going to show you two examples of apps that we have developed. One is a SaaS application and other one is an internal tool for a company. Okay, so this is the application. It is an app that helps inspectors to track the devices that they inspected, the buildings to generate reports, and so. But the feature that I want to show you is the dashboard here that helps them to follow up into every of the devices that they have inspected, and they can see the next inspection date of every device. So this way they streamline the process of tracking every device and knowing which device should be inspected next. Other of the features to have their buildings, to see the history of reports from every building, and to see where are located every of the devices and in what conditions and the current state of the device. Okay, this is the second application I'm going to show you today. This is an internal tool for a company called Animals Well. It is a veterinarian company, and today I'm going to show you the clinic dashboard of the company. In this case, we have the veterinarians of the company and the tasks each of them has to do, which tasks are to do, in progress, or are updated. Here we can see a list of the pets that are subscribed to the company and the date of the next visit that should be scheduled for them, and a list of other tasks. This is valuable because at first sight you can manage the veterinarians, the next visits of each pet, and the tasks of the company, and you can be sure that you are tracking everything that you should be tracking. I am sure that by seeing these two examples, a lot of ideas are sparkling in your mind. Imagine how many things that are not properly followed up by your company or by other companies can be addressed with an application that will help them to streamline processes. By the way, if you're liking this content, remember to hit that subscribe button, and if you need help building your own application, you can reach me out with the links I leave you down below. And if you are an employee and you see opportunities to improve the processes of your company, developing an app to follow up into things, I have a proposal for you. You can reach me out, and if we close a deal with your company, I will give you 10% of the final value of the deal. Now let's go with the 5 reasons why this works. First, you streamline processes. The second reason is that you increase the client satisfaction. By creating a no-code app that follows up into key aspects of your business, you are able to customize it at every level to match your specific needs. This means that you can create interfaces, features, or automations that were not possible before, because you will be able to follow up into things more closely and accurately. You will be able to have better processes, and that means that you will be able to serve your clients better. The third reason is that you will reduce costs. If you follow up properly the key aspects of your business, you will start seeing that you stop losing money in stupid stuff. One example that comes to my mind is if you have, let's say, an inventory system, but you give inventory to representatives of your company and you are not tracking that properly. You can create an application that track the inventory that you gave to them, and that way you can ensure that they don't steal product or they use it efficiently. And because you will be following that up, you will be able to track the data and then make a data analysis and then make business intelligence and extract insights from that data. The fourth reason is that following up will create you sales opportunities. For example, in the veterinarian company that I showed you, there is a section in where veterinarians leave pending procedures that needs to be done in the future for the pets. So in several months, representatives have a list of the pets that needs a next procedure, and they call the clients to remember them of this procedure and increasing the sales of the company. Other example could be if you sell things that need to be renewed or fixed or inspected recurrently. If you create an application or a section of the app that tracks when you sell tires to clients and automatically creates a new task, let's say in a year or two, to call the same client about his tire and remember him to renew the tire of his car. This will create you new opportunities to send email marketing campaigns or to make representatives to call the clients or to make AI automations, for example with Bapi, that will call automatically those clients and remember them to renew their tires and give them a special offer, let's say, to go with you again. And the fifth reason is that you will ensure recurring payments and you ensure that they will keep needing that solution because that helps them to track an important aspect of their business. They will stick to your application for more time and you will increase the lifetime value of your clients. And if you are a normal company creating an internal tool that will help you to follow up into key aspects of your business, as I said before, you will increase client satisfaction and that probably will increase the lifetime value of your clients. If you found valuable the content of this video, I am sure you will enjoy other content of my channel. Remember to subscribe and bye!